Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì yìí. Tó bá jẹ́ ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ tí ẹ ń bá mi pàdé rèé, ẹ bá mi like, ẹ comment, ẹ share, kẹ́ subscribe. Àwọn ohun tí ẹ máa wò lórí ìkànnì yìí, òun ni àwọn ohun tí ó ń lọ láwùjọ wa tó sì máa kọ́ wa lọ́gbọ́n. Ẹ máa bá mi ká lọ.
Ó ní àfi kíkan nú àwọn kú níṣẹ́. Ó ní ìjà yóò ṣe ṣeré kàbíà, ó lẹ́ẹ̀ tí rí nǹkan kan. Ó ní àfi kíkan nú àwọn kú. Ó tún wá go further. Ó ní kó lọ bèèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹnìkan lára àwọn ex-president Nàìjíríà tó ti kú. Àgbákò tí ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Kí ló ṣe El-Rufai tó ń sọ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí jáde? Ṣé kìí ṣe pé El-Rufai ń kà? Àwọn kan tiẹ̀ ní bóyá ẹ̀jẹ̀ àwọn tí wọ́n pa ní Southern Kaduna. Wọ́n ní bí òun ló fa ọ̀rọ̀ tí El-Rufai ń sọ jáde lẹ́nu. Wọ́n ní bí ẹ̀jẹ̀ àwọn tí Boko Haram pa, mọ̀ pé El-Rufai was the former governor of Kaduna State. Nígbà tí Boko Haram pa àwọn èèyàn nípa púpà. Wọ́n ní bóyá ẹ̀jẹ̀ yẹn ni ló jẹ́ kí El-Rufai ti ẹ̀rọ pé òun àti kí lórúkọ ẹ̀ YORUBA 5 and 6 ni wọ́n. Ọ̀lẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ máa ń jà ní ọ̀rẹ́ ò kì í rojọ́. Ṣùgbọ́n dàbí ẹni pé wọ́n ti páìpù gbóná bọ El-Rufai lọ́fun, ó ṣàròjọ́ ni. Ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ yìí ó ti kọjá ọ̀rọ̀ pé àwọn tap into government conversation. Ṣé o kó sọ pé àwọn tap into government conversation? Ó tún ní àwọn ìjọba tún YORUBA NSA, ó ló tún gbé àwọn kíní kan tó lè pa àwọn èèyàn, poisonous something, ó ló tún gbé wọlé. Thallium sulfate tàbí kí ni wọ́n pè é, ó ló tún gbé wọlé. Eléyìí tó tún wá sọ wípé nípa tó tún wá tó pé oníkíkù yìí ó surprise mi o.
Accept it because you're president? I don't know about them. But anybody that tries to criminalize Nasir El-Rufai should know that he has a battle on his hands till one of us drops dead. And if they have any doubt, they should go and ask Umar Yaradua. I will fight you until I'm dead or you are dead. Because I will not sit back and be criminalized. This is what this government is doing.
Still on this, and probably that is why we still have.
He has always had his heart in the right place where there is power.
Do you think your friend YORUBA would regret his decision to defect to the PDP, to go back to the...
I think you have to ask Nuhu that question and we wait for time to play out. Nuhu made a personal decision, and in politics you make personal decisions, you make your choices. I think he should be allowed to live with his choices, just as I should be allowed to live with mine, but I can't speculate on what will happen or what his regrets or his happiness would be. We have to wait for that to happen.
You were recently quoted to have said you can only go back to the PDP if Satan converted to Islam.
Yeah, you know, I drew that metaphor to show the impossibility of Nasir El-Rufai ever going to the PDP. If I have to leave the APC, I will retire from politics and go back to doing other things that I was doing, because politics was something that I just got into some years ago. But because Nuhu is my friend and because he has defected to the PDP, I find it very, very annoying that people will think that I will move to the PDP. We are two different individuals. We are friends, we are brothers, but we are completely different individuals. And I will never, ever, and I'm saying this again and again, I will never, ever be found dead in the PDP. Even my corpse will reject the PDP.
It's quite surprising because you used to be a member of that party. I mean, you were there for a very long time. Yes. And for you to lose the party so very much now, it's baffling.
No. Yes, I was a member of the PDP. I had a party card because I had to be confirmed as minister. It was a requirement. But I was never an active member. Towards the end of our administration, we got involved somewhat in PDP's activities to reform it. I've been in 3 committees to reform the PDP. And when the 3rd one collapsed in 2010, I gave up and I left. I left on my own. The PDP didn't say it doesn't want me. The PDP didn't expel me. I left because I know evil when I see one. And I saw evil there, and I walked away. And that's why I will never go back. I will never go back.
We know we heard you're planning to run for the governorship of your state, Kaduna. Is that correct?
That's not quite correct. We are still in consultations about what to do. But what is clear is that we have a strong APC in Kaduna, and we intend to take control of that state using that platform. But we are still at the stage of consulting and taking decisions towards that.
èwo ló ń gbàwẹ̀ nínú yín ló ń ṣe sàárà ẹ̀ jẹ́wọ́ ta ló ń gbẹ́bọ nínú yín tí gbogbo àwọn àṣírí yìí fi ń tú torí lójú mi eléyìí ti kọjú ojú lásán o eléyìí fẹ́ máa di iṣẹ́ ayé o ó dàgbé iṣẹ́ ayé lélẹ́yìí o ẹ wo ẹ jẹ́ agbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu El-Rufai orí Ìrìnkèrindò Yorùbáwùyí láwà ẹ bá wa subscribe sí Ìrìnkèrindò Yorùbáwùyí náà ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá wa kọ kọ́mẹ̀ntì lórí Ìrìnkèrindò Yorùbáwùyí náà bá wa push page yìí náà bó ṣe ń lọ yìí sí Yorùbáwùyí ò lè gba Yorùbáwùyí page nìkan ò lè gba everything àti sí Ìrìnkèrindò Yorùbáwùyí tí n bá ń fi àyè sílẹ̀ láti máa wá ṣe show láti máa record lórí méjèèjì èyí náà máa fi àyè lè máa bá wa ṣe máa bá wa kọ kọ́mẹ̀ntì yín sí comment section bó ṣe ń lọ yìí tó ń dùn mọ́ yín ṣe ń gbádùn ẹ̀ tẹ̀lé wa lórí gbogbo péjì wa Ìrìnkèrindò Yorùbáwùyí Yorùbáwùyí TV ẹ tẹ̀lé wa lórí Yorùbáwùyí lórúkọ mi anywhere we go Facebook TikTok àtọ́bọ́ sórí Instagram náà àwọn lórí Instagram ẹ tẹ̀lé bẹ̀tà fún wa tó padà síbẹ̀ ó dàbí pé El-Rufai ó ti ń lágbára o Ọlọ́run ogun gbọ́ kí ló opinion ti see your my next show Yorùbáwùyí lórúkọ mi Yorùbáwùyí ni mo ń jẹ́ èmi náà ní Ìrìnkèrindò Yorùbáwùyí. If you are coming across my page for the first time, I am the one and only Akalolu of Yorùbá land adáwọn ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ọmọ tó jọ ọmọ lọ yóò lóye tí ò pé méjì Abẹ́ni ọmọ tí ò ṣe pa ẹ tó máa parọ́ tiwa adéwájú federal government o tó ń bá sáìn ẹ̀ ó máa déwájú Elédùmarè èèyàn kí ń rọ́lọ́run lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ ó lè kú bí 99 times cs tó wọ́n padà wá sáyé kó wá di mẹ́túsẹ́là see you on my next show. Thank you, I love you and bye for now ẹ ṣé gan.